Hello guys, welcome to the next video of Python tutorial. In the previous video, I had set up on Windows, and in this video, I will be setting up Python environment in Linux. Currently, I am using Ubuntu. It is latest version Ubuntu. I guess it is 24. So usually in Linux, Python comes pre-installed. So let me open the terminal. You can open terminal from here also using all menu and terminal. See, here it is terminal. You can click here this one and to open. I have already opened. Pinned here, pinned that dash, and so I clicked there and open. So the terminal is opening. It's taking quite time. So meanwhile, let me download VS Code for Linux. You can do the same process. Search for VS Code and then click here. Click on the first official link, and here you can see there is option for download. Since I am using Ubuntu comes under Debian package, and so I will be downloading the .deb file. If you are using Red Hat or Fedora distros, you can use .rpm. Since I am using .deb, so I will download by clicking here, and I think it will download by itself. It is asking to where to download. I will download in the default folder and save. So it has started. It's quite fast. Oh my god, 100 MB is downloaded in quite fast. Okay, since I have already installed this, I will not install it, but I will show you how you can install. So I had stored in downloads folder. So let me open the folder. So downloads. Okay. Here it is, and you can open terminal here by this drop three vertical dots. Open in terminal, and what will happen that this particular folder will open in terminal. And to install it, let me show you the command. The command is sudo dpkg space -i for install, and then the file name. What was the file? Code. Cod, and press tab. It will automatically complete. Yeah. With this you and press enter. Remember the command sudo. Sudo will add privileges to this command, and so it will be executed. Otherwise you will get an error of permission denied or something anyway. So since I have already installed, you can see here I have Visual Studio Code installed, so I will not install it. Okay, I'm closing this terminal, and yeah, let me show you the Python. So here for you it will be this base will not it will be like, since I have installed Anaconda, so this base environment is coming from that base environment. Deactivate. Let me deactivate and show you. So once I deactivate, for you guys, starting this will be shown. And for Python, if you give direct Python, Python is not found. So in Ubuntu, we need to run Python command by adding Python 3. The command name is Python 3. And so we can see that Python 3.12 is by default installed. And I showed you how to install VS Code also. So since Windows was quite slow for me, and earlier I thought of using Windows for capturing videos, because audio quality was not good. It was a cracking sound in OBS Studio. But now since I have fixed it, I will be continuing in Linux itself. Ubuntu is quite fast as compared to Windows. You can see I can run Chrome also. Many tabs are open. Still there is no lag here. My computer is not lagging. So I will, for tutorials, let me make a separate folder, and that I will do it in the, okay, let me open the terminal. Once the terminal is open, I will make a separate folder, mkdir, for the same command, make directory. I have caps python. Yeah, python is good. So let me check where I was. Pwd for check. Okay, pwd for uh, present working directory. Okay, I made ls for listing list. I made a mistake. Its directory, for removing directory it will be rmdir, and if the directory is empty it will delete it. Okay, now you can see python direct here. Python directory is there, but once I removed it, python directory is not there. So I will move to my desktop, and in desktop I will create a directory. Let's python tutorials, lscd python tutorials.